Hi there, junior scientists. Are you ready to embark on an electrifying journey? Have you ever thought about how amazing electricity is? It powers our world. From the bright lights in our cities to the gadgets we use every day, electricity is everywhere. It lights up our homes, helps us cook food on electric stoves, and lets us watch our favorite cartoons on TV. Imagine how different our lives would be without it. But have you ever wondered where this incredible energy comes from? It's generated in various ways like burning fossil fuels, harnessing the power of water, or even capturing the wind. Let's go on an adventure to find out. We'll explore the different sources of electricity and how they reach our homes. We use electricity for almost everything. From turning on the lights to charging our devices, it's an essential part of our daily lives. Can you imagine a world without electricity? It would be a lot darker and much less convenient. It would be very different. People would rely on candles for light and fires for warmth. We wouldn't have lights at night, our phones wouldn't work, and we couldn't even watch TV. Life as we know it would change dramatically. That's why understanding electricity is so important. It helps us appreciate the convenience it brings and encourages us to use it wisely. Let's start with something you use every day: batteries. They come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny ones in your watch to the big ones in your car. Batteries are like tiny powerhouses that store energy. They have different parts inside that work together to keep your devices running. Inside a battery, a chemical reaction happens. This reaction is what makes the battery work, converting stored chemical energy into electrical energy. This reaction creates a flow of tiny particles called electrons, which is what electricity is made of. These electrons move through the battery and out to power your devices. Think about your favorite toy that uses batteries. Without them, your toy wouldn't be able to move or make sounds. When you put batteries in and turn it on, the chemical reaction in the battery starts. This is what powers up your toy. This makes the electrons flow, bringing your toy to life. The movement of electrons is what makes the toy's motor run, or its lights flash. You can thank those tiny electrons for all the fun you have with your toys. Next time you play, remember the amazing science happening inside those little batteries. Did you know that we can also generate electricity by moving magnets? It sounds like magic, but it's true. A dynamo is a device that does just that. When a magnet inside a dynamo spins, it creates a flow of electrons, which is electricity. One of the most common examples of a dynamo is a bicycle generator. Have you ever seen a light on a bicycle that turns on when the bike is moving? That's because the spinning wheels turn a small dynamo, which generates electricity to power the light. Section 4: Solar panels harnessing the sun. Now, let's talk about the amazing power of the sun. The sun's light and heat can actually be turned into electricity using special panels called solar panels. These panels are like giant sponges that soak up sunlight. When sunlight hits a solar panel, it causes a reaction that makes electrons move. And guess what? That movement of electrons is electricity. Solar panels are a fantastic way to harness the sun's power to generate clean energy for our homes and schools. Section 5: Lemon power, a shocking experiment. Ready for a fun experiment? Today we're going to turn an ordinary lemon into a tiny power source. Yes, you heard that right. A simple lemon can generate electricity. You can actually generate a tiny bit of electricity using a lemon. It's a fantastic way to learn about basic chemistry and electricity. Here's what you need: a lemon, a copper coin, a galvanized, zinc-coated nail, wires with alligator clips, and a small LED light. These simple items will help us create a basic battery. First, carefully roll the lemon on a table to soften it and release its juices. This step is crucial as it helps the lemon juice flow better inside. Next, insert the copper coin and the galvanized nail into the lemon, making sure they don't touch. The placement is important for the chemical reaction. Then connect one alligator clip to the copper coin and the other to one leg of the LED. This will start to form our circuit. After that, connect another alligator clip to the galvanized nail and clip it to the other leg of the LED. Now our circuit is complete. If everything is connected correctly, you'll see the LED light up. It's a small but exciting result. The lemon juice acts as an electrolyte, and the copper and zinc create a chemical reaction that generates a small amount of electricity, enough to power the LED. This reaction is a great example of how batteries work. So there you have it. A simple lemon can power an LED light. Isn't that amazing? Electricity is all around us, and it can be generated in so many fascinating ways, from wind turbines to solar panels and even a lemon battery. Keep exploring and asking questions because science is full of surprises. Who knows what other everyday items can be used to create something extraordinary?